Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you that how to fix YouTube not working or keep crashing on your iPhone after iOS 26 update. So guys, if you are facing this problem, keep watching the video until then and follow all steps. So guys, let's start this video without waste our time. Before start the video, you should subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. So guys, there are many solutions to fix this problem. Solution number one is check your internet connection. Make sure you have a good internet connection, Wi-Fi or cellular data. Please connect your Wi-Fi or cellular data and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now we applying this solution number two. Solution number two is check the app update. Simply go to the App Store and search here YouTube. You can see appears on screen app is up to date. If update is pending, please download and install and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now we applying this solution number three. Solution number three is check the iOS update. Tap on the settings. Little bit scroll up to find general. Tap on software update. You can see appears on screen iPhone is up to date. If update is pending, please download and install and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, now applying this solution number four. Solution number four is reset network setting. Tap on the settings. You can see appears on screen. Little bit scroll up to find general. Scroll up to find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Reset network settings. Enter iPhone passcode, reset network setting and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, now we applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is restart your iPhone. Simply press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button until when you see Apple logo appears on screen. Slide to power off, restart your iPhone, wait 10 to 15 seconds and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now we applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is reset all settings. Tap on the settings. Little bit scroll up to find general. Again tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Reset all settings, restart your iPhone, wait 10 to 15 seconds and fix your problem. If all the solutions are not working, kindly visit the support.apple.com and fix your problem, or visit the nearest store to authorize the dealer and fix your problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix YouTube app not working or keep crashing, lagging on your iPhone after iOS 26 update. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.